Hey guys, and welcome to my YouTube channel. If you're here for the first time, my name is Anne, and if you've been here already, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you a really easy reddish sparkly eye makeup look. I posted a sneak peek on my Instagram story, and a lot of you wanted me to post a video on my YouTube channel. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how I created the look, and the palette I'll be using today is this gorgeous one from Huda Beauty. I will put the name of the exact palette in the description bar. And then of course the first step that I did was primer my eyelids. I always do this as my first step because this will make sure that the eyeshadow will stay in place all day and it will remove some redness from my eyelids. Then I'm gonna take this beautiful color, which is like a soft peachy shade, and I'm gonna start blending that all over in the crease, going back and forth. Then when I'm done with blending, I'm going in with this corally red kind of color. It's not like a straight red shade, it has more like a coral undertone, which I think is really beautiful. And I'm gonna blend this at the outer V area, and then with whatever's left on my brush, I'm gonna blend it a little bit more towards the middle part of my eyelids. Then now I want to darken up the outer V even more, so I'm taking this reddish burgundy kind of color, and I'm taking that same brush and I'm just gonna kind of press and blend this at the outer V. I'm doing the same thing as I did with the previous color, but this shade is obviously a bit darker, so this will create more depth around my outer V area. Then now for the middle part of my eyelid, I'm taking this beautiful color which has a metallic finish, and I started with applying this all the way in the middle part of my eyelid using a flat brush. But then later I realized I should have used my finger, because I feel like sometimes with colors like this, it's the best way to use your finger. It just gives more color payoff. So at first I was using this brush, but then I decided just to use my finger because I felt like the shade looks so much better right now. Then now I took a simple black pencil. The one I'm using is from Inglot Cosmetics. It's called the Soft Gold Pencil in the shade 01. I wanted to create like a line above the lash line, which was so easy to do. And then later on I want to smudge it out to create like a really nice smudged out lower lash line. Not lower lash line, upper lash line. So I took that burgundy color which we used earlier to blend in the outer V, and now I'm just gonna kind of smudge this shade right on top of the kohl pencil, just going back and forth with my brush and just kind of trying to make it look a little bit more messy. Then now to make it even darker, I took a different palette. The one I'm using right now is from Jaclyn Hill. It's the Morphe Jaclyn Hill palette. You can use any black eyeshadow that you have at home. I feel like this one is really nice. It's really intensely pigmented, but it doesn't give a lot of fallout, which I really appreciate, because sometimes with black eyeshadow it can get so messy. However, I did not apply foundation yet, so if it would have fallen on my face, it wouldn't be a problem, but I really like the eyeshadow because it doesn't have a lot of fallout. I really appreciate that. So now I did my foundation off camera, and now I'm applying this pencil from Morphe, which is the pencil in the color Vibes. One of my favorite pencils. It's like a warm toned brown pencil, which really makes your eye color stand out more. I think it's so beautiful. I really prefer to use like a brown pencil in my waterline instead of a black one. I feel like it just looks better on my eye color. Now I went back in with that burgundy color again, and I'm gonna press that underneath the lower lash line using a flat definer brush from Sigma Beauty. And because this is quite a flat brush, it's really easy to really press it tightly against the lash line, and I really love that, because this way the pencil with the waterline really connects with the eyeshadow underneath, and I just feel like it makes it look extra smoky. So now I just took a mixture of these three colors, the ones I all used in my crease, and I took a pencil brush and I'm just using a mixture of those shades and just blending underneath the lower lash line to make it look really smoked out. Then now I'm taking my favorite mascara, which is the Roller Lash from Benefit Cosmetics, one of my current favorite mascaras, and I'm gonna use a little coat at the upper lashes and also using this for my lower lashes to make them look as long as possible. For today's look, I'm gonna use the Boudoir, I really don't know how to pronounce that, but I will put the name in the description bar. These are from House of Lashes. These are so freaking beautiful, and I'm gonna apply them using their lash glue and some tweezers. These are like the lashes that I would wear on a daily basis. They're not too dramatic. I think they're really beautiful, but still they will make your eyes look completed, because sometimes I'm using lashes which are so natural that you can't even see them, and I feel like something is missing, but these are like the perfect size for my eyes. I really love them. And then here you have the finished result. I really hope you all enjoy watching today's video. If you did, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. This is really helpful for my YouTube channel. And if you have any questions regards this video or anything else, don't forget to leave it down in the comments down below. And I really hope to see you all in my next video. Bye guys!